Hi, this is Ali. I am gonna show you how to cook a quick and very simple rice in 20 minutes. Put 2 cups of rice into the pot and wash them 3 times or till you see clear water. For any cup of rice you need 1.5 cups of water. Add teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and switch to high heat and leave it to cook till you see there is no any more water over the rice. This is time to switch the heat to low and leave it slowly cooks for 10 minutes. Now you see the rice is ready total in 20 minutes. I hope you make the rice in the same way and enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.